Hey everybody, it's David and
Lorelai from Philippine-American couple.
Hey, today we're in Rogers, Arkansas. We're going to have dinner with some friends at the Havana Tropical Grill. Cuban? That's what it says, Havana.
Yeah, it's a Cuban,
Yeah.
pure Cuban fresh food. That's Havana.
Yeah, Havana's in Cuba, so it's Cuban food. So we're going to have dinner here. We will give you a walk around and show you the food and tell you what we think of it.
Come in.
Here we are at the Havana Grill. And it's time to have another mojito.
Emily.
I'm not gonna hijack my doggy.
Okay. Nagriyak ang daddy.
All right, Miss Lorelai, have a bite of your food and tell us what you think.
This is a lechon Cuba.
Okay, Cuban lechon.
Yeah, this is the only original from Cuba. I don't know how they get it.
It's the only thing original from Cuba at all?
Yeah, the pork is from Cuba. I don't know how they get it.
No, but there's nothing else original in Cuba.
They're good, baby. You want to try this fish?
Don't more than my Philippines.
They're really yummy.
So how's the
It's
pork?
salty.
Pork is salty?
Yep.
All right.
I don't know.